Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having guys problems with the traction control system on Hyundai Sonata generation 2009 to 2015 guys. If you're trying to find where the fuse for the traction control is located, stay with us, we'll explain that. You actually have up to 6 fuses guys, make sure to stay until the end and we're going to cover each one of them. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata now guys. This is a 2013. We need to go ahead, open that fuse box, one tap here, one there, squish, pull up, and we need to get the fuse puller from right here. So squish and just pull it out. Okay, great. Now let's start from the inside first, and then we have some under the hood which are easier to check, but the one inside sometimes it's a little bit more complicated because it's inconvenient place guys, but it's doable. So inside, okay, let's see, we should have I think 2 fuses actually that control, okay, the traction control module. Pull that fuse box, okay, just like that. Now what do we guys have here? If you come, okay, let me just focus here a little bit. Perfect. If you guys come to the second row from right to left, okay, this is the second row, and you come to the third fuse, which is a 20 amp fuse, this one is one of them. This is for the traction control system guys. So what you will need to do, grab it with the fuse puller and pull it out. Perfect. 20 amp fuse guys, out of there. Now, how you guys find out if it's good or bad? Usually by looking through that see-through part, you can see if it's burnt or not, but not always. Sometimes you may think it's a good fuse when you actually have a bad fuse. I always recommend to test them. We have a video that explains how to test a fuse in just a few seconds, so I'll put the link in the description of the video below, or just replace it, and if you need to buy cheap fuses, you will be able to find that link in the description of the video below as well. So this is one of the fuses for the traction control system, but where is the other one? Here inside guys. So if you look at it now, okay, you come right here again and you come to that second fuse right here. Okay, come on, having a hard time focusing, it's very limited room. This fuse right here guys, this is it's actually 10 amp fuse, excuse me, 10 amp fuse. That's for the traction control system as well. Check this one, okay, it could be the problem, okay, for your traction not to work as well. So what else? Okay, what else we have here? Okay, that can cause the traction control not to work. Okay, just close my cable inside. So looking at it this way guys, okay, let me put that fuse puller right here so I don't lose it again, because you're going to need it in the future for fuse replacements as well. That's where guys, okay, things get a little bit complicated. You have up to 4 fuses here, and the first fuse, okay, that we actually need to find guys, it's known as ESC1, ESC. So you need to go ahead, okay, and start looking, not ECU, I'm talking ESC. This fuse right here, 40 amp fuse guys, check it out. This is part of that multi-fuse, mega fuse, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4th fuse. So if you come to this part right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's that fuse right here. Make sure through the glass that it's not burned. We actually have a video how to test the multi-fuse, mega fuse on that Hyundai as well. This is one of them. Also guys, we have another one that's called MDPS. MDPS. So you just keep looking, and that's that 80 amp fuse, which is the first part of that mega fuse. Okay, right here. This one is another one guys, that's part of the traction control system. Also you have ESC2 and ESC3. ESC3, okay, it's okay, let me just try to focus. ESC3 is that 10 amp fuse, so if you come right here, it's that little bitty guy over there. That's a 10 amp fuse. That's responsible for the traction control. And another one is ESC2 30 amp fuse. It's this fuse all the way over here. Okay, so check it through the glass to make sure it's good. Those are all the fuses for the traction control. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.